Sotanyala. So how we start? We start like this. So first we go like this. Right arm up, right foot back. Now opposite, right foot in front, left arm up. Now again, right foot behind, right arm up, and again opposite. And now right foot remain near the left. And then fourth step, like this. We do right step, then left, and we turn to our body to the left. Left step, right, and we turn our body to the right. Okay, every sequence have different part. One part is this. We do 4 steps, right, left, then we turn, right, go backward, well, but we go in the same direction, and then left. Again, right, left, and 3 times. We do 3 times, right, left, left. With arms, we do like this. With first, arms go to the left, 2, 3, arms to the right. And then again, 1, arms to the left, turn, 3, arms to the right, and go back, and again, 1, 2, 3, 4. Next part, we do 3 times these steps, right, left, left, left. And with arm, we will do like this. Close, open, close, open, close, open. When we open, we turn our body toward the center of the circle. Next part, we do 4 steps with right, but we remain, but we count 4, and right arm goes up. 1, 2, 3, 4, and we repeat the previous part twice. Now we go to the right side, and we step left, and arm close, right step, arms open, and again, close, open. Now we count, we do 1, 2, 3 with left, 1 step with right, 4, and then 5, 6, and we continue. So I repeat, we will do like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and we repeat the previous steps from the beginning. Now last part, when the song say Natso Yar Yar Draw, we repeat the sequence as usual. So we do 3 times this movement. And then, so we continue, we will repeat this movement 3 times, then we go back 4 step, we do twice this movement. Now, here is different. So now we will do 4 times left. So 1, 2, 3, 4. We do 2 times this movement. And again, 4 times now right. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then the end of the song and the dance.